In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image hover effects in GoHighLevel. We'll start right inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Head over to the Sites area. This is where all your funnels and websites live, and it's the central place to adjust how a page looks or behaves. Find the funnel or website you want to work on, open it, then choose the specific page or step you want to tweak and click. Edit to launch the page builder. Inside the builder, move your cursor around the canvas and watch for the outlines that appear around sections and elements. Click on the highlighted area of the section you want to change so the settings panel on the right focuses on the correct component. For this walkthrough, imagine you're selecting the block titled "What will be covered in the webinar." Targeting that content area helps you zero in on the image or the heading associated with it. If the section contains multiple layers, like a row, then a column, and finally an image, click again to drill down until you've selected the exact element you want to animate. You'll know you've got the right one when its properties show up in the panel on the right. Now open the Animations tab in the Settings panel. This is where GoHighLevel gives you visual motion effects you can apply to individual elements. Choose Entrance Animation to control how the element appears when it loads or scrolls into view. You'll see options that range from subtle fades to more dynamic slides and zooms. Match the style to your page's tone and keep it tasteful. For most images, a soft fade in or a light slide up draws attention without stealing the show. After you pick an entrance animation, click the highlighted choice to confirm it, then look back at the canvas. The live preview will show you how the element behaves, so you can quickly judge whether it enhances the design or feels distracting. If it's too bold, too slow, or doesn't fit the rest of the page, try a different entrance effect until it feels natural and consistent. A helpful approach is to use the same or closely related animations for similar elements to keep the page cohesive. A quick note on expectations. True hover effects trigger only when a mouse pointer sits over an element, and they don't exist on touch devices. GoHighLevel's built-in animations are entrance-based, running as the element appears on screen. This still creates a polished, interactive feel and works reliably across desktop and mobile. That's the process. Open your site, edit the page, target the right element, and apply a fitting entrance animation to give your images a clean, engaging motion as visitors scroll.